Hello out there, welcome back to the People channel. I'm going to take you on a room tour at Holiday Inn Express Bangkok Soi Soonvijai, the medical hub area. Holiday Inn Express Bangkok Soi Soonvijai is in the best location for the medical tourist. They are surrounded by many good hospitals and not too far from Thong Lo and Ekamai districts. Due to you cannot walk to the train station, hotel provide free tuk-tuk shuttle to hospital nearby and train stations. The property is new and modern accommodation in the city. They always offer the best deal for IHG Hotel chain. Lower than $30 with breakfast is possible to see. They only have one room type which you can choose between queen bedroom or twin bedroom. So, an upgrade is not possible. The difference is only view, it could be garden view or city view. The room size is quite compact. It's in between 23 or 25 square meter. It is well designed and comfortable room. The good thing is they have a smart bathroom. The door allows two people to use the bathroom at the same time. The hotel guests can access the gym 24 hours. The fitness center is furnished with good condition equipment, including a treadmill, stationary bicycle, and many more. As you may know, there's no pool and sauna at Holiday Inn Express. I think only the place there is a green space in the hotel located on the second floor and the rooftop. The breakfast is included in the hotel offer. They are possible with buffet or grab and go option. Unfortunately, no restaurant for dinner or bar for drinking. To sum up, The target group of this hotel is the medical tourists, not general tourists. But if you are IHG fan, they always offer the lowest rate. Probably, the shuttle service to the public transportation may convince you. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.